He said that he wanted to put a bit of money in music. And he single-handedly has sponsored musicians. He has a record label. He shoots video. And one outstanding thing is that his musicians are doing very well. When the committee recommended him, we said, well, let us look into his profile. If he can do it for the individual musician, then he can do it for the union as FEMA. One strong point of correction. These gentlemen that were decorated today, they might not be known to all of us. But from now on, from what we have read and know about them, nothing in Lagos FEMA will happen without them. They will be there for us. And so, ladies and gentlemen, it is written here that he is a man of many parts. There's one here that I can see. That he's a musician, he's an entertainer. I've listened to him, he's a fantastic keyboardist. He talked to me while he was entering that he would want to perform. I said, this is not him I'm sure. He has a studio and a record label, and he has actually written his name in gold outside this country. And we want him to write it in bronze, silver, and gold in this country. Ladies and gentlemen, big job for a shot.
Members of the High Table, the Honorable Chairman of this event, the First Vice President of FEMA, members of the press, our leads also, I greet you all. On behalf of Performing Musicians Employers Association of Nigeria, Lagos State Chapter, I humbly decorate you with this honor.
P-Man. This all started in the 80s with boombox. I hope some of us know what boombox is. And as you can see, this is one of the results at the end of the day. I want to thank God for making it possible for me to stand here today. And I want to thank my mom for standing by me when it was very rough. But today, we give God the glory. I've managed to put out some upcoming artists who are doing so well in a lot of places today. And we've been doing this for almost 14 years and not recognized. So P-Man is the person, is the button that Canada recognized for the very first time. And I really appreciate it. And with all that said, so thank you, P-Man, and forward ever.
Well, Brother Joe, don't go yet. Let's try the Nigerian group. Mahram Barrister, thank you very much. Don't sit down, God bless you. You see,